everybody and welcome back to Aurora's World. My name's Aurora and today I will show you how to say the hobbies in Italian. So let's get started. Giocare ai videogiochi. Giocare ai videogiochi. To play video games. Leggere. Leggere. To read. Ascoltare la musica. Ascoltare la musica. To listen to music. Guardare film o serie TV. Guardare film o serie TV. To watch movies or series. Fare foto. Fare foto. To take pictures. Suonare uno strumento. Suonare uno strumento. To play an instrument. Dipingere. Dipingere. To paint. Fare sport. Fare sport. To play sports. Andare in bicicletta. Andare in bicicletta. To ride bike. Andare a fare shopping. Andare a fare shopping. To go shopping. Please note how the translation of some verbs used to express hobbies are not always the same as in English. This is true for fare foto, fare sport, and andare in bicicletta. So in Italian we can't say prendere foto. Prendere is to take. In English we say to take pictures, but in Italian we say it to do pictures. So fare foto. Now we're going to learn a sentence. Quali sono i tuoi hobby preferiti? What are your favorite hobbies? Quali sono i tuoi hobby preferiti? I miei sono, mine are, fare sport, I practice synchronized swimming, basketball and ballet. Then I like dipingere, guardare serie TV e amo fare shopping. And what about you? I hope you enjoyed this video. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!